Universal Cranes in Auckland recently took delivery of New Zealand's first two 10x4 S-Ways. One rigid and one tracked unit, a factory-built configuration with competitive tier weights. Fitted with Fassi cranes, they are a strong addition to the company's truck-mounted crane capability. We tagged along to watch some heavy lifting. An interesting point to note, while Universal Cranes New Zealand operates just under 50 cranes and 37 trucks, 12 of them crane trucks, it's not too often a new machine actually joins the fleet. Every day is a bit of a juggling act to coordinate all the trucks, says Transport Manager Leo Lemon. We needed 10-wheelers with rear steer and looked at many options. Some were too heavy and others just weren't available. I'd dealt with Iveco before, so we looked at what they could offer with key account manager Peter Theron. We found what we needed and we got the ball rolling. The 10x4 S-Way option is built at the Iveco factory in Spain as an 8x4 and then sent to the factory bodybuilder in Italy to have the fifth axle fitted. The key point to understand is that there is no cutting, welding or extra reinforcing. The truck comes fitted with factory components, so tier weight and pricing is very competitive. The front-mount prime mover sits on a 4950mm wheelbase, the shortest S-Way to which Iveco will add the extra axle. And with its 6300mm wheelbase, the rear mount rigid unit pushes towards the upper limit of 6500mm. The fifth axle assembly adds around 950 kilos, so both units have a bare chassis tier weight just under 11.5 tonne, and 24 tonne as the finished products as you see them here. Both have a GVM of 41 tonne and a GCM of 60 tonne. And because they're factory built 10x4s, there was no messing around. Once Iveco New Zealand had them in the country, they could go straight to Gary Douglas Engineering in Palmerston North for their builds and fit out. Fassi is the brand of choice for Universal's truck mounted cranes. We find them pretty good, user friendly with everything on the remote, nicely set up and smooth and adjustable, Leo says. Our first job out with the new 10x4s is with Willie Cow on the front mounted track unit, moving a 13 metre tall cell phone tower to site and standing it up for the installers. With a strop wrapped around its upper section connected to the spreader bar and the Fassi's 2-tonne winch cable hooked to the base, Willie can raise the pole off the truck deck from the top while keeping the base in place above the deck by simultaneously extending the winch cable. And once it's hanging vertically, he simply needs to rotate the crane and lower it into position. It's no struggle for the Fassi F820, which can lift 22 tonne at 2.9 metres and 3900 kilograms out to 16 metres with the fly jib attached. It'll reach out to 33.5 metres and lift 350 kilos. Both S-Ways are fitted with Iveco's Cursor 13 engine, producing 425 kilowatts, 570 horsepower and 2500 newton metres, 1850 pound-foot of torque, and driving through the familiar ZF Traxxon 12-speed AMT. While Willie also does the odd container shift and the like, the bulk of his work is the cell phone towers, doing 2 a week on average as well as several helicopters. At their heaviest, these weigh in at about 10 tonnes, so pose little additional burden on the unit. At 90 km per hour, it's humming at just over 1500 RPM. With 9,000 kgs of Fassi F820RA sitting just forward of the first drive axle, it rides along comfortably as well. But manoeuvrability in tight and tricky confines is where these units really shine, their steering fifth axles coming into their own. The rear steering axle on the track unit makes it so easy, Willie comments, and having watched him manoeuvre through a tight parking lot earlier, it's clear how much more sharply the units do turn. Willie does however have to keep an eye on his triaxle semi-trailer though, which trombones out to a total length of 19 metres but does not steer. Ricky Morton is the man on the rear mount rigid S-Way. Currently running truck only, the 5-axle rigid S-Way again proves incredibly manoeuvrable with its longer wheelbase. We catch up with Ricky on one of his regular jobs, shifting a couple of sections of glass reinforced jacking pipes for the Queen Street wastewater upgrade. The pipes get delivered to one of 3 access shafts in just-in-time fashion, 2 at a time. Ricky needed an overweight permit to allow the 2 pipes to be carted as a divisible load, as the pipes were spec'd at 4.5 tonnes each. It may be slightly smaller than the F820, but the Fassi F710RA still offers Ricky plenty of lifting power. 16 tonnes at 3.7 metres and 350 kilograms with the fly jib out at 33.5 metres. The challenge for Ricky comes in placing the 6 metre pipes with only centimetres to spare on the unit's 6.2 metre deck. The trucks have been spec'd with the S-Way AS low roof cab. As an AS cab, it has a width of 2,550mm and an overall height of 3,396mm. This allows a comfortable 1,700mm of interior height. These units may not be your uber high-spec line haul models, but there's not much to complain about concerning interior quality, comfort and features. In the best Euro fashion, both units registered a comfortable 68 decibels sound reading at 90 km per hour. An additional axle to aid capability and manoeuvrability, a comfortable and quiet drive, good spec, top-notch builds, the S-Way 10x4s are exactly what Universal Cranes required. GDE has completed 2 impressive builds, and the new Fassis are proving to be a hit with their operators, and the S-Way has undoubtedly found its space in the market, and the first 2 new 10x4s are a happy signal that the platform has so much more to offer. By the time they leave here, they'll be well worn. Look at the hours they're doing. They're cranking, Leo says with a grin. To read the full story on the new Iveco 10x4 S-Ways for the Universal Crane team in Auckland, then catch a copy of the November 2025 issue of New Zealand Trucking Magazine. Or subscribe to our digital platform and view the entire feature there. See the links below. Also remember to hit those thumbs up and subscribe buttons right now to be notified of fresh new content as we upload it for you. From all of us here at New Zealand Trucking Media, thanks for watching, have a fantastic month out there and travel safe.